So in terms of how we're seeing investing, I did just want to make this point because many of you are looking at businesses and how you get funded. And so as venture capitalists, we look at risk reward. And what is increasingly happening, and I'm talking the royal we now in terms of the venture capital industry, not necessarily Mayfield, we're very interested in deals where we can get in early, get a reasonable ownership, add value to the company, and get a fair price deal. We're also and those deals are obviously relatively more risky because you're early, you don't know how a company's going to be developed, you don't know how the market's going to grow. We're also interested in investing late. So where there is more traction in the company, there are sales, there are customers, higher priced, less risk because you know the product or the solution works. In the middle, difficult. It's difficult today to get some of these B deals